Jai Srimannarayana. 21st sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ami hitvam surasangha visanti kechid bhitaha प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति स्वस्तीति उक्त्वा महर्षि सिद्धसङ्घाः स्तुवन्ति त्वाम् स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः ॐ Imagine that all the devatas coming towards Visvarupam and doing namaskaram, bringing their palms together and doing namaskaram. And there are so many divine sages doing Mangalasasanam to Sri Krishna Paramatma's Visvarupam. You improve your sattva gunam, goodness, nature of goodness, then you will rejoice upon Sri Krishna Paramatma's Visvarupam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall inculcate goodness, nature of goodness, sattvagunam in me so that I can rejoice upon your all pervasiveness. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, help me imagine all the devatas are doing namaskaram to you. All the Maharshis are doing Mangalasasanam to you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 173rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that how Parikshit Narendra, all the people from Bruhadvanam, Vrajan Swan Samayujya Yayuhu, all the Gopalas from Brindavanam, along with their cloths and other accessories and other things, they are now traveling towards Brindavanam. All the elderly people, children, ladies were sitting in bullock carts, and there are so many cows in front of them. Turya Ghoshena Mahata Yayuhu Saha Purohitaha, and Gopalas making divine sounds, and along with the Purohitas, they all now traveling to Brindavanam. All the Gopikas, they decorated themselves, sat in the bullock carts, and then Krishna Leela Jaguhu Pritya Nishkakanthyaha Suvasasaha. While singing Sri Krishna's divine qualities, they are continuing their travel journey towards Brindavanam. Yashoda Rohini, they sat in one bullock cart, and Rejatuhu Krishna Ramabhyam Tatkatha Shravanotsuke. Balarama and Krishna also sat in the same cart. And Yashoda Rohini, they are listening to Balarama Krishna's beautiful, cute talks and enjoying and continuing their journey. Finally, Brindavanam Sampravishya, they entered into Brindavanam. Chendiri Balamadhavulabhinandinchuchu Paramapavanamu Brindavanamun Munindra. Balarama Krishna, with so much of happiness, they entered. Everybody entered into Brindavanam, and all the Gopalas built their huts, their staying places, in a half-circle way. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 21st sloka. Amihitva surasangha vishanti kechidbhitaha pranjalayo grunanti swastiti vuktva maharshi siddhasanghaha स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः. अमीहित्वा सुरसङ्घा विशन्ति केचिद्भीताः प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति स्वस्तीति उक्त्वा महर्षि सिद्धसङ्घाः स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः. श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.